Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish. Today is the first day of the Great Indian Festival at Amazon, and there are worldwide Amazon sales going on. So this is a good time to pick up some products that you may be interested in. And the first thing that I've picked up is right here. It's the DJI Mic 2. So without further ado, let's unbox this to see what it comes with in 2024 and also how it pairs up and connects with the iPhone and an Android phone. So let's do the unboxing. All of these extra Amazon stickers will go away with this covering, leaving behind just the clean DJI box. So as you can see, it says wireless microphone here and nothing on this side. And then you've got the contents on this side. So you've got the all-in-one ready-to-use sort of case that includes everything. That is one of the feature points of this mic and one of the major attractions for me to move over from the Rode Wireless Go 2. And it says you've got high quality audio recording, there's 18 hours of battery life, intelligent noise cancelling, crystal clear vocals. This is another feature that I'm really interested in. Then obviously you've got 32-bit float audio recording, which gives you a lot of flexibility in post-production, and a 250 meter or 820 feet range. So inside the box there should be a receiver, two transmitters, the charging case itself, there's a carrying bag, there's two magnets, clip magnets, there's a mobile phone adapter for USB Type-C as well as for lightning. Then you've got two windscreens, there's a camera audio cable and a USB charging cable, and there's some documentation. So let's get into the box. Fairly straightforward and simple box. And as you can see, it actually comes inside the case. So that's a good feature. And then you've got some documentation. Besides that, there's nothing else in the box. So there's a little bit of silica gel for taking away moisture. And then on here is basically just some regulatory information. So this adds no value whatsoever. And in this pouch here, you've got the documentation. So let's have a look at that quickly. Okay, so you've got DJI stickers in here. And there's a quick start guide. Again, some regulatory information there. And some safety guidelines. I'm interested to see what kind of safety guidelines they talk about. Okay, so it's giving warnings about the mic containing magnets and listening at high volumes for extended periods, etc. And then obviously you have the quick start guide right here. They also have a number of first use videos on the website and on YouTube, which can be really useful. So this shows you how to use the transmitter, receiver, the charging case and the app the first time you unbox the mic. So fairly nifty. Okay, let's see what comes inside this nice pouch. So it's a nice carrying case. It's a nice sort of one-stop solution for your audio needs. And you know, this gives you all the capability in a very compact package. Inside of this, you've got the mic in the charging case itself. And on this side, this is a USB Type A to Type C cable. Then you have the audio cable, the 3.5 TRRS cable right here. Or is it a TRS cable? So this is mainly to connect it to DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. In here you have, well, one dead cat, and here's another. Some more silica gel there. And that's about it. So outside of that case, you get these two cables and these two dead cats. That's all there is into it. And this is, again, it has a little sticker here which says you need to press this tab to unlock. So let's peel that off. The charging case itself feels really nice quality. It's got a textured finish to it, so it offers some grip. There is a USB Type-C charging connector right here. And let's press this and open. So it's got 2 dots of battery from inside when unboxed, and as you can see, already they appear to be connecting. So there's 15 hours of battery according to this in this transmitter, and well, 15 hours in this one as well. They're both charging. The receiver has, well, 50% battery according to this. So first off, you have the receiver. As soon as I pull it out, it gives me the menu to set the language, etc. We'll keep that aside for a second. And you have obviously the 2 transmitters along with very strong magnets attached. Really good quality. So we've got 2 of these inside here, and the all important adapters. So this one here is USB Type-C, which is increasingly what most people will be using, and it's a very neat solution. You can mount it using this to the bottom of your phone, so there's no dangling cables, and that was one of the major attractions for moving over from road for me. Besides that, if you've got an older iPhone, you've got the lightning connector. So this is again something that's very useful for me because I still own the iPhone 13 mini, and I look forward to using this mic along with that. So that's all there is in the case. It clicks shut like so, and those are the contents of the DJI Mic 2. So that's all you get inside the box. So let's quickly do the setup now and then connect it to one of the phones I have. So it says English. I will press OK on that. Now it's asking me to set the date. So it's correctly picked up the 26th of September 2024, which is today. And it hasn't correctly picked up the time. We can use this nifty dial, I suppose. The time right now is 9:49. So I will tap on the minutes now and bring it up to 49. And then I press OK, and there's a logo. Okay, so the 2 transmitters appear to be connected now. That's quite good to see. So out of the box, there isn't much to do. And as you can see, they're both on and connected and good to go. So let's keep everything aside and connect it to the iPhone first and see how that looks and performs. Now the iPhone that I'm connecting it with is the iPhone 16. So I will take out this tab from here and use the USB Type-C connector and slide that in from here. It's quite a snug fit and it stays in place quite easily, so that's good to see. So this here is the iPhone 16, the regular 16, not the Pro or Pro Max or even the Plus. And we have an ESR case here. Let's see if it fits along with this case. Yes, it does appear to have enough length, so it's fitted in quite well. So as you can see, you can use the iPhone in this fashion by cupping it around, by cupping your hand around the receiver, and that way you have a very good solution wherein you don't have any dangling cables. This is perhaps the most compact vlogging kit that you can have if you're using an iPhone. And once we open the camera app, I will wear one of these receivers. So let's actually turn off one of the receivers just to see. So I've turned off one of the receivers. So now it's showing just 1 bar, and that shows the audio level. So I will wear this receiver and then see how the audio sounds like. Okay, so that should be going through to the iPhone now. And let me just make a video of the case just to show you the kind of audio that comes out. Okay, so I'm recording using the new DJI Mic 2, and this is the DJI Mic 2 case. I've got the receiver connected to the iPhone 16 using the USB Type-C adapter, and I'm wearing one of the transmitters right now. The other one's right here. I've turned that off, and after this I can try it with my Android phone, which is the Z Fold 6 as well. Hey friends, showing you a difference in the audio quality with just the iPhone microphone with no DJI mic attached, and just to show you how that sounds. So this is just a short test just to show the audio quality difference between wearing the mic, the DJI Mic 2, as well as the native audio from the iPhone 16. Okay, and finally now doing the same test with the Z Fold 6. Let's see, we've got a Spigen cover here. Once again it appears to have hello. Once again it appears to have a good connection despite the case. So let me bring on the video. So anyway, making another video. This is the DJI Mic 2 that I've just unboxed. I've got it connected to my Z Fold 6 phone, and it's recording via the transmitter, which is neatly tucked away onto the side of the camera, onto the side of the phone, without any dangling cables. It does seem a little bit more wobbly for some reason than it was on the iPhone, but I think the performance should be no different. So just a short test with the DJI mic just to see the kind of audio levels that we get. Once again, recording a short test. I've taken off the DJI receiver, and this time this is just the native audio coming out of the Z Fold 6. Hopefully this should be able to show you the difference in audio quality between wearing a mic such as the DJI Mic 2 and the native audio coming out from a phone such as the Z Fold 6. So this is just a short test. Okay, I'm actually recording another test clip with the Z Fold 6 with the DJI Mic 2 attached, and I had to do this again because apparently I hadn't plugged in the DJI Mic 2 properly the last time, so it didn't actually record through the mic. It was doing the internal speakers, and this time I've got it connected, and it's quite noisy out here with some construction noises, birds chirping and cars going past. So you should be able to see how the noise cancellation works. Noise cancellation is currently turned on, and immediately after this clip I will also give you a preview of what it sounds like through the internal microphones of the Samsung Z Fold 6. So make sure when you clip onto the mic, especially if you have a case, that it's a snug fit. The receiver should not be loose at all. It should not be wobbly. It should be completely stable. So just a short test. Okay, same location, and I'm now recording using the internal mics of the Z Fold 6. This should hopefully be a lot more echoey and noisier. So let's see the kind of difference that we can get out of just the phone and also the mic and phone combo. So just a short test. So hopefully that video showed you the benefits of having a mic system as compact as the DJI Mic 2, and also how you can quickly and simply use it for vlogging with various phones and cameras for that matter. And it is a very nifty device. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.